Dear students, now let me do this problem. It is a problem based on surface integration. Here given that f vector is x plus y square I cap minus 2x j cap plus 2yz k cap, and S is the surface of the plane 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6 in the first octant. Then evaluate the surface integral f dot n hat ds, where n hat is the unit normal to the surface. So at first we have to look the surface on which surface we have to carry out the integration. Here the given surface is 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6. Here the given surface is 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6, and this can be written as, if we divide by 6, then it will be x by 3 plus y by 6 plus z by 3 equals to 1. So the intercepts points are here 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, and 0, 6, 0, and 0, 0, 3. Actually this is the equation of a plane, and the plane intercepts on x-axis at 3, 0, 0, on y-axis 0, 6, 0, and 0, 0, 3 on z-axis. So what will be the diagram? Yeah, the diagram will be like this. Let me take, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. So this is the point 3, 0, 0. Let me, this is the point 0, 6, 0. This is the point 0, 0, 3. So the plane will be like this. Okay, so the plane will be like this. Now we have to evaluate this integration f dot n hat ds. So we have to take the n hat, that is unit normal to the surface, to this surface. We have to evaluate first unit normal n hat, and then we have to decide on which surface we will take the projection. So now the next step will be finding out of n cap, that is the unit normal. And what is the unit normal? Here the equation of the surface is, equation of the surface, in if we talk, the equation of surface is phi. Here if we take phi, then phi will be, here the surface was 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6. So phi will be, which is the function of x, y, z, that will be 2x plus y plus 2z minus 6. This will be the phi. Now n cap will be grad phi divided by mod grad phi. We know this from our basic study of gradient divergence and curl, that the unit normal to any surface, if we know the equation of this surface, then we can easily determine the unit normal to this surface by using the formula grad phi divided by mod grad phi. So if we talk about grad phi, here grad phi will be del phi del x I cap, that means 2 cap, plus del phi del y j cap, that means z cap, and del phi del z k cap, that means 2k cap. So n cap will be grad phi divided by mod grad phi, mod grad phi. So it will be 2i plus j plus 2k divided by root over 9. So it will be 2i plus j plus 2k divided by 3. So this is our unit normal. Now we have to decide on which surface we will take the projection. I can take the projection on any plane, x, y, y, z or zx, but here I like to choose the region xy region. So I have to take the projection on this xy region, and when I want to take the projection on xy region, And then what we have to do, we have to do if we take the surface integration f dot inherit ds, here surface integration f dot inherit ds is equals to, we know from our projection method that if we want to take the projection on xy plane, then we can write it as like this: f xy into f dot n hat into dx dy divided by mod n dot k. And from this n cap we can see that n dot k not equals to 0, so we can use the projection method and we can project, or we can evaluate the integration on xy plane, because n dot k not equals to 0, so we can take the projection on xy plane. Okay, now what will be the f dot net and what will be the n dot k? From this expression we can easily find out that n dot k is nothing but 2 divided by 3. If we take the dot product of n dot with k, then we will get 2 by 3. So n dot k will be 2 by 3. Here n dot k is equals to 2 by 3. And what will be the f dot n? F dot n. F dot n will be equals to, f we have given here, f was x plus y square I cap minus 2x j cap plus 2yz k cap dot, we have to take a dot product with n cap. N cap is this, so we can write it like this: 2i plus j plus 2k divided by 3. Okay, now what will be this dot product? This dot product will be like this: 2 by 3 into x plus y square minus 2 by 3 into 2x plus 2 by 3 into 2yz. Okay, now if we solve this, we will get 2 by 3 means 3, so 2x plus 2y square minus 4x plus 4yz, so it will turn us to be 2y square plus 4yz minus 4x divided by 3. Now we have to change z in terms of x and y, because we like to do the integration on xy plane. So here the term z should not be occurred in the expression. So now let me do in the next sheet. Okay, here the expression was n dot k was equals to 2y square minus 4x plus 4y into what is z? Here z is our expression was, look, our expression was 2x plus, expression was what, 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6. So 2z will be 6 minus 2x minus y, so z will be half into 6 minus 2x minus y. So I have to put the value over here. So if we take half, then it will be 2. So 2y into 6 minus 2x minus y divided by 3, and it will be what? 12y minus 6, of course 6 minus 2x minus y, and here is 2y square. So 2y square and 2y square will be cancelled out, and here is 4 into 2, 2 into 2, that is 4xy, and 1 is 6 into 2, 12y, and this is 4xy. So it will be 12y minus 4xy. Okay, 4xy divided by 3. Okay, sorry, there is one mistake over here. Here this will be 1/3, this will be 1/3, so it will be only 2x, and here will be minus 2x, and 2x will cancel out, and this 4x will not be there in the expression. So this 4x will not there in the expression, and then in that case I think it is right. Okay, so this will be 12y minus 4xy divided by 3. This is our expression. This n dot sorry, this is not n dot k, this was f dot n. So this is f dot n, and I have find out n dot k over here. This is 2 by 3, and f dot n is this. Okay, this is f dot n, and this is finally f dot n in terms of xy. Okay, so now let me do the integration. So integration f dot n cap into dx dy divided by mod n dot k, and if we take it, then it will be surface integration m in f dot n. What? F dot n is 12y minus 4xy divided by 3. I have find it, into dx dy divided by 2 by 3. Okay, n dot k was 2 by 3. So if we simplify it, we'll get what we will get? We will get 6y minus 2xy into dx dy. Okay, okay, this will be bar 12y minus 4xy divided by 3. So this 3 cancel out. If we divide this, then it will be 6y minus 2xy into dx dy. So now this is the region on xy plane. Okay, now we have to evaluate this double integration with proper limit. Okay, so now we have to first integration with respect to y. Here the region is, I write here 2x, again I like write here 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 6. Okay, now we have to evaluate the integration on xy plane, so you can take it z equals to 0, then the equation will be 2x plus y equals to 6, so y will be 6 minus 2x. Okay, so at first we have to integrate on y from 0 to 6 minus 2x on xy plane. So we have to integrate this expression first, integration dx. This is the rule of double integration, and 6y minus 2xy dy. So we have to first integrate y from 0 to what? 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x. Okay, then we have to integrate on x. So when we want to integrate on x, then we have to, because this total, the whole integration will be now converted into x. Now we have to evaluate this integration on x, and the limit of this x will be, what will be the limit? If we take, when we take the limit of y in terms of y and x, then we have to write z equals to 0. But now when we talk about the limit of x, then in this expression if we talk about y equals to 0, then 2x equals to 6, so x will be 3. The limit of the x will be 0 to 3. Now what is the meaning of this limit? I like to discuss it. What is the meaning of this limit? Here we have to integrate the expression on this xy plane. Okay, so first what we have to take? We have to take the integration from 0 to this plane. This plane is actually, this plane is like this. Okay, like this. Now if this plane is like this, so at first we have to integrate from 0 to this plane. Okay, from 0 to this plane. So this plane is what is this plane? This plane is on y axis. Okay, so first this is actually the plane, xy plane, projection of xy plane. So in xy plane we have to first integrate from 0 to this strip, you can say this strip. Okay, this strip, I like to draw this thing over here, that you have to. So when at first I like to draw this strip. Okay, so for this strip the integration along the y axis, so the integration from the limit of the y 0 to this plane y. What is y? 6 minus 2x. Okay, now to evaluate the area of whole area, we have to draw all the strip like this from here to here, and here is 0, here is 3. So at first we have to integration along on y along this strip, for this strip, and then we have to integrate from 0 to 3, so the whole area will cover. Okay, so this is actually the meaning. This is actually the area of this xy surface or this xy plane. Okay, so this is actually the physical significance of this integration. But mathematically we can easily find out the limit. When we talk about the limit of y, then we have to put z equals to 0, we will get 2x plus y equals to 6, so y equals to 6 minus 2x, so the limit will be 0 to 6 minus 2x. And then when we talk about the limit of x, then we have to put y equals to 0, so we will get 2x equals to 6, so x equals to 3. Okay, now if we do the integration over here, we will get, what we will get, integration 0 to 3 and then integration dx, and as we have to evaluate the integration with respect to y, so it will be 6y square by 2, then it will be 3y square, minus it will be 2xy square by 2, so it will be minus xy square. Okay, minus xy square, and the limit will be over here from 0 to 6 minus 2x. Now the whole integration will be converted in terms of x, so it will be 0 to 3 dx, and then I have to put the value, so 3 into 6 minus 2x the whole square minus x into 6 minus 2x whole square. Okay, this thing. Now it will be what? This is, if we take common 3, the 3 minus 2x whole square, and here is also 3 minus 2x. Okay, so 3 minus x, so 3 minus x and 3 minus x will be 3 minus x whole square, and if we common 2, then 2 square will be taken out from the integration. So if we do this simple calculation, then we will get 0 to 3 into 3 minus x whole cube dx, and here is 4. Now if we do the integration, it will be 4 into what? 3 minus x to the power 4 divided by 4, so 4 will be cancelled out, so minus 3 minus x to the power 4 into 0 to 3. Now if we put 3 on x, it will be 3 to the power 4, so minus 3 minus x, so it will be what? It will be 81. Okay, this will be the answer to the problem. So thank you.